Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. So today I am going to give you the information about the recruitment news about UPSC Central Armed Police Force. So they are recruiting for their Central Armed Police Force vacancies. There are 209 vacancies. So any degree or any graduate can apply for this job. So the selection will be based on written examination, physical and medical standard tests and physical efficiency test, and then they will take the personality test. So it is a very good opportunity. So you can apply for the Central Armed Police Force Examination 2020, and the salary is not disclosed yet, but the salary will be quite good. So it is recruiting for all over India, and the application start date is 18th August and last date is 7th September. So you can see it is the latest news about the job notification. So starting date for this application is 18th of August, so already it is started. So today is 19th and last date is 7th September, and payment mode will be also closed on 7th September. And you can see the age limit is 20 to 25 years, so any graduate can apply. And you can see the relaxations here, and the list of vacancies for all over the post is given here. Like border security force में 78 पोस्ट है, और सेंट्रल रिजर्व पुलिस फोर्स कैटेगरी में 13 पोस्ट है. सो इंडो टिबेटियन बॉर्डर पुलिस की कैटेगरी में 27 पोस्ट है. So you can see the application fee is 200 rupees, and there is no fee for SC/ST candidates as well as female candidates. So for the women category it is free completely. So just hurry up guys, just apply for this job and get prepared well so that you can crack this examination. So you can deposit your money offline mode as well as online mode. So the basic educational qualification is needed is only you have to hold a bachelor degree from any recognized university. And also there are some physical standards is given, that for men the height must be 165 centimeter, for women it must be 157 centimeter, weight for men is 50 kg and women is for 46 kg, chest must be 81 centimeter, for women it is not applicable. And you can see there will be 3 scheme of examination. So one will be general ability and intelligence test. For it is given 250 marks, and general studies, essay and comprehension, it will taking 200 marks here. And for interview or personality test it will take 150 marks from there. So all total the marks is 600. All the interested candidate can apply through this upsconline.nic.in website before 7th September. So I will give the link, this job application link, in my description box, so that it helps you, so that you can directly apply from there. So I'm just showing you the process. Just click here the apply link, and you will be redirected to this UPSC examination notification page. Then just you will be reached to this page. Then for CPF category, as it is the Central Armed Police Forces examination, so just you need to register. So after part 1 registration, the part 2 registration will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned with my channel, and thanks for your patience. All the best. If you want more updates, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all notifications when we update latest news. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this video as well.